Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review and critique the latest and greatest products on the market. In today's episode, we're taking a closer look at the wireless Bluetooth 5.3 earbuds with Breathlight. These earbuds promise superior sound quality, advanced features, and a price that seems too good to be true. Let's dive right in and see if they live up to the hype. The earbuds boast a speaker driver that promises balanced audio output with soft and clear sound. They also claim to effectively reduce background noise for clear calls, ensuring seamless communication. But do they really deliver on this promise? We'll find out in just a moment. The earbuds feature advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology, ensuring a seamless and stable connection. They even mention strong and stable signals in various complex environments. Is this true, or is it just marketing jargon? Stick around to find out. These earbuds claim to offer extended music enjoyment with up to 10 hours of playtime on a full charge. The included charging case provides additional charging, and there's a digital display to monitor battery levels. We'll test the battery life and see if they're suitable for long trips or workouts. The earbuds are designed for both left and right ears, offering a comfortable and customized fit. They also mention an adjustable earphone angle for better comfort. We'll examine the comfort level and assess whether they're suitable for prolonged use. The manufacturer emphasizes customer satisfaction and promises excellent after-sales service. We'll discuss the warranty and support options provided with these earbuds. Before we wrap up, we'll take a quick look at user reviews to see if the claims made by the manufacturer match the real-world experiences of customers. Stick around for our final verdict on whether these earbuds are worth your hard-earned money. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. If you've used these earbuds, share your experiences in the comments section below. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.